Hi, good morning, everyone. Let's have a brunch day in my home, and mm, and I feel so good today because it's a sunny morning, Sunday today, and it's my I'm cooking a hot cake, cooking a hot cake. I show it to you. Yes, this is a hot cake. So yummy. And I was making last night a mashed potato salad. Yes, this is a potato salad with cucumber, carrots, and onion and ham. This is a mashed potato salad. And I have sunny side up eggs here for my good dish in breakfast. So yummy. So it's a little bit dirty in my hair because I was putting my mascara. Now I'm putting mascara. For sure it's you. And this is a fresh tomato from shopping mall. Supermarket. It means supermarket. Yes. I need a tissue. Sorry, I can't stop my tears rolling down to my face. Yeah. Yes, it's really a very good dish today. So yummy. My hot cake. I have a pork sausage here. Yummy. And you, how about you? You have a good breakfast today? This is it. My breakfast. This breakfast. Yummy.